Okay, so congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with all of the examples and the SSN. And now you will be able to create your own chatbot by using the API.AI. I will upload the exported zip file from the agent that we are created throughout this series, as well as the clients and the fulfillment that we are created to the GitHub. So if you stuck anywhere and unable to solve it, then it will be helpful to you. And I will also upload the presentation so you can revise what you are learned throughout this series in a few minutes. In this series, I will try to cover all of the concept of the API.AI that are required by the newbie to create their own chatbot. And throughout this series, I just use the simple example of the sum of two numbers. I hope you will use the advanced operation or use the third-party APIs. I was integrated my agent to the 4 or 5 platform. However, there are 20 to 25 supported platforms available. You can also use the other platform to create the your own client or the fulfillment for the agent. As I said previously, you can deploy your app on the various way. On your site, Google Cloud, Heroku, Elastic, Azure and many more app engine. In this series, I am used the only Google Cloud, just because of it was widely used. You can also visit the API.AI's official documentation or the form if you have the any query. Link is already available in the description. I just want the last opportunity to say that if you have any question or the feedback regarding the course, or if you want to touch with me via mail, or you can post your query in the question and answer section or the comment. So thanks again for taking the course and best of luck for creating your own chatbots by using the API.AI.